All right, you salty scallywags, your map must contain these elements: a map key explaining the symbols, a clear path to the treasure. Here you are at the beginning, and X marks the spot. One obstacle to avoid, an area your brother should not go, perhaps quicksand, a goblin cave, or other angry pirates. As well as two physical landmarks: rivers, mountains, hills, valleys, forests. Two human landmarks: roads, cities, towns, bridges. And don't forget the X to mark the spot. You can click, copy, and paste these symbols onto your map. I'll show you. I've included 2 slides of each in case you make a mistake and delete something you're not trying to delete. You're going to hover over the image you want. For instance, let's say you like this mountain. You double click on it, use 2-finger click if you're using your Chromebook, and you're going to click copy. Then you're sliding down to your island map right here. Here at the beginning is your ship and where your brother starts. Let's say you're going to put, if this is your island, and you want to put a mountain right here, you double click again, you hit paste, and boom, your mountain shows up, and you just have to drag it over. Once you have your mountain there, you can find out another physical landmark, or perhaps a skull, or I don't know, whatever you want. Once you decide what your symbols are going to be, you have choices from this page, as well as this page. You're going to put that in your map key, as shown here. Once again, paste, and you drag it up. Sometimes it's a bit tricky, but I think you'll get the hang of it. And then right here, you'd write what it is. Perhaps a hill or a mountain, whatever it needs to be. At the end, when you finish your map, you need to show him the most direct route to get to your X. So let's get to our X marks the spot. I'm going to copy. Let's say I hid the treasure underneath the hill. I'm going to paste. There it is. I'm going to drop it right there. Now, this is the most key part. Make sure you can show your pirate brother where the treasure is. Up here, you'll see a line. You're going to want a polyline. Watch. You start your line here, and you drag it over. Let's say he needs to go this way, needs to go that way, needs to come this way, and then boom, that's the way it stops. Then you double click, and you double click, and it will finish. Look, a beautiful line showing your brother where to go. When you're all finished with all of your things here, and I don't think you need to finish it today, you'll have tomorrow as well. You have a checklist right here to make sure you have all the elements you need. Good luck, you salty, salty dogs.